All 2020 on my channel, we focusing on 4 things and 4 things only. And that's business, our bodies, bank accounts, and the blessings. That's that on that. Period, poo. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Mykia and welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Before we even get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stick around. You clicked on this video for a reason and I'm so happy to have you here. So join our family and go ahead and subscribe. On my channel, you can find a variety of things. I post videos on millennial home ownership. I also post travel vlogs. So when you're in different cities, you'll know where to eat, where to party, what's lit. I also post a lot of try-on hauls and luxury designer item reviews. So stick around and let's just get right into the video. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I bought a new bag, y'all. I know I said I was not shopping like that in 2020, but this purchase was from 2019. I literally bought this like on December 28th. So I promise y'all I'm doing better in 2020 with my shopping, but this is a little, you know, this is an item that I got right before the new year. I bought a new bag and I also bought a wallet / card holder to go with it. So before I bust it out and bust it on the gram and just, you know, wear it every day, I was like, let me do an unboxing and let me show you guys what the bag looks like. So here are my 2 items. I did get both of these items from the Gucci outlet. I got the purse, the bigger item, from the Gucci outlet in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And then I got this one from my sales associate at the Gucci outlet in Kentucky. This one was shipped to me. I was actually on travel and I stopped in the Gucci store and I bought this one like while I was in the store. So we're gonna go with the wallet first. So this is what it came in, just a little Gucci box. Y'all excuse my nails. I just took off my acrylics yesterday. I just want to give my nails a break for a second, so just excuse my nails. Back to the video. So this is the box that it came in. It's just a little Gucci box. And when you open it up, it has the dust bag. And then it also has the receipt in the back. So it just has your receipt and like your Gucci card in there. So this is the Guccissima wallet card holder. And it has 4 card slots right at the top. It's just a Gucci card there. And another card. So it has 2 slots on one side and then also 2 slots on the other side. And then there's a little cash section right inside of there. So this is just perfect for small purses or when you're just on the go and you just need a card. You just pull this out, take this with you. Really light, really easy. And this is the Guccissima print up close. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. That's what the sides look like, the stitching. This card is so cute. I think that it is the perfect thing to just run out the house when you don't want to carry a big wallet, when you don't want to carry a lot of stuff, when you just got a small clutch purse that you just need something to throw your money and your cards in. A card holder is the perfect thing to have. This is my first card holder actually ever, so I'm excited to get this and get some use out of it. Okay, now on to the big boy. This is my bag, y'all. I think y'all gonna love it. I love it. So off the bat, when you take it out of the thing, it's just in a dust bag. I did get this from outlet, so that's why it's not in a box. It just has my receipt in there. Are y'all ready? Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh. So this is the Guccissima mini dome bag and I got it in red to match my card holder. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up. So inside of the bag, we have a additional strap, and then it's just filled with like the paper and the cards. So you can carry this bag a few different ways. You can just carry it like a mini, but then it also comes with a strap. So right here, that's where you hook the strap, and they go on opposite ends. So I'm gonna just hook this on here. So you can carry it like that. So I can carry it like this, or I can carry it like this. Or I can carry it across, like a little crossbody. Or I could just carry it like this. So yeah, I think this bag is super cute. I love this so much. I love the mini look on this bag. The mini look is so in. For me, I don't think it'll ever go out of style. I just love like a cute little classic small bag. This bag was definitely, I feel, worth it. I don't have any red bags in my collection, so this was just like the holy grail. It's definitely a classic Gucci print, so it'll never go out of style. It's always gonna be a timeless piece. And the card holder to match. It's just giving me life, okay? This is giving so much life. This is my second Gucci bag. This is my second Gucci purchase ever. This one is my third. And again, I got this from the outlet. So if you're ever traveling and they have a designer outlet mall, make sure you stop and take a look. They have some really good prices. They have some really good items that you will not find on the Gucci website. So yeah, I did get this again from the outlet in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I think it was like Sawgrass Mall. The mall was huge. That's all I know. That mall was so big, you literally need time. I went on a cruise, and then I got the cruise ship at maybe like 10 a.m. and my flight wasn't until later in the day, so I had a few hours to spare. So I went to the outlet and I found this beauty. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you purchased this bag, make sure you follow my Instagram and DM me some pictures of your bag. They have so many different colors, so I want to see what color y'all get. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because y'all, I have so many designer unboxings that I'm about to just roll out. I'm literally about to film a designer sneaker haul right after this. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe so you can get notified the next time that I post. You don't want to miss what's coming, okay? You do not want to miss what's coming. So I'm giving y'all the warning. Subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like this video. And if nobody told you today that they love you, just know that I love you. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, and I'm rooting for you. And somebody's calling my phone. It's my mother. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.